Hi, I'm Becky May, and I'm a chicken keeper in Northern Ontario. We have a small homestead, but we don't live there yet, so every day we travel out to see our chickens, no matter what the conditions are, to make sure they have fresh food and water. Join us on our adventures over our 6-month-long winter. Let's go see how everyone's doing today. Here we are. We made it. Another blizzard outside. Very poor visibility, very slippery roads. It was white knuckle driving. Well, for some of us. But we made it. We're here to do the job. These are days that I wish I could just live in there and just walk from there to the coop to do the chores and then go back in and have a cup of tea by the fire. But we're not there yet. That's what we're working towards. So right now, we're gonna get out, go through this blizzard, and go do the work. Here we go. This is the hot chocolate kit?
I guess so.
No, I guess today's not the day, huh?
No.
Maybe tomorrow is a hot chocolate day. We'll have to wait and see. Got some frosties on the window to be expected after yesterday's sunshine. Heated everything up in here. No sun today. What are we looking at here? Ooh, -1. And yeah, that thermometer doesn't even go down low enough. This is -1. This one says -0.7. But just say that -1.7 was the lowest. But this is of all time, so I like to take the battery out to give it a nice little reset. I'm gonna do that right now. Look at this guy. He's still fighting a cold, but he's here doing the work. It's all frosty, eh? All right, let's go take care of our trampoline. You got some snow in there, huh? Oh my. One bite at a time, eh? Okay, here we are. Hi! I have arrived. Yes, I have. I'm here to give you treats and water. Yes. Amazing. I'm going to leave this open a bit because it feels a bit humid. Okay. Stinky. It's stinky in here. Yeah, you guys stink. How you doing, girl? No further pecking. Just the old peck, eh? All right, good. Okay. Oh, Mama Boots. We got lots of new feathers coming. Here they come. Okay, let's get you guys taken care of, all right? Excusez-moi. It's time to take care of them. That was really hard. Obviously, I don't need to show you kicking a bowl for 5 minutes, but it was really hard to get that ice out. We got it out though. We got some thirsty birds. We gotta get them some water. It's important to refill the snow. It holds about 2 days. You can see they have eaten some of the snow already. There's only about a day of snow left in there. That's their emergency water that they use to hydrate themselves when the water bowl is frozen. It's almost empty. They're in here somewhere. Where's Princess? I'm surprised you can't hear. What's this? What's this, everybody? What's this? Oh, she figured it out. Here she comes. Yeah, it's Princess's favorite. Alright, here you go, guys. whole bag. All right, there you go, ladies. Enjoy your snacks. We'll see you tomorrow with some fresh food. Bye.